Hello, my name is Bartek. I'm lead programmer at Energiya. Today I would like to present you one of our products, which is Universal Converter. Universal Converter is IoT card, compatible with Mango Red, Mango Green, and with Sierra Wireless modem FX30. Primary function of our IoT card is to convert analog signals into digital values. Universal Converter's got 4 analog inputs and supports 3 industrial standards, which is 010 volts, 420 milliamps, and 020 milliamps. All 4 inputs are set up independently, so your connected devices can support different standards. For example, you can have thermometer with interface 010 volts and hydrometer with interface 420 milliamps. Both can work on one converter in the same time without any problems. We provide open source component and open source test program, so you can easily download it, test converter and your devices by yourself. In the second, I will show you how to connect the unit. I will show you what we've got on the board and how to collect data from Universal Converter. For this purpose, we will use first release of our software product, Energiya panel. Energiya panel displays all readings from Universal Converter and from all sensors on Mango board. The program is available in Google Play Store and also will be available in App Store and in Microsoft Store. So, let's see how it works. First of all, I will explain what we've got on the board. In the center, we've installed Deep Switch, which allows you to change I2C address. Universal Converter uses I2C line. Thanks to this switch, we can avoid conflict with other I2C devices. For example, when 2 ways are down, Universal Converter uses address 68. The same address is used by gyroscope on Mango Red. To avoid conflict with the unit, let's switch second way up. On the left-hand side of the board, you can find blue jumpers. Each section corresponds with one analog input. Jumpers have to be set up on the right if you want to use volts, and on the left if you want to use milliamps. Standards 020 milliamps and 420 milliamps are configurable programmatically. As you can see, we've got also red jumper on the board. The jumper allows us to set up voltage on UART and GPIOs. On Universal Converter, we've got 4 push-pull GPIOs here and UART here. Installation is extremely easy. We have to insert IoT card into the slot. Now our unit is ready. We provide Energiya panel system, open source component and open source test program, all available on our website. We have to download it and install it. We've got Mango Red with Universal Converter on it and phone with Android OS. First of all, let's power up our Mango board and install Energiya program on our phone. Energiya panel is installed, we can open it. We can see settings, so we can go and check information. We can find a short description of Universal Converter. Now we have to find customer key. So let's go to settings again. On this screen we will find information where to find it. In our case, it's test, so let's enter it. And our unit will appear on the screen Universal converter is on the screen, so let's enter it. We can see data on the screen, so everything's fine. Let's rotate phone for better view. As I said before, primary function of universal converter is converting analog signals into digital values. To emulate industrial standards, let's use signal generator and connect to our universal converter. Everything's connected. On signal generator, we can change standards. Let's set up 0.20 milliamps and turn on the unit. Let's review software. Last tab is Advanced Settings. On this screen, we've got Reset, Hard Reset buttons, which allows us to reboot Mango Red remotely. We can also display configuration of Mango unit by pressing Config Request button. If we want to set up Mango, we have to choose one of following options. We have selected I2C address. If we want to change it, we have to press Setup button. And please remember, if you change I2C address here, you have to change dip switch on universal converter. You can also change other options. To read and set up advanced configuration, system communicates with Mango unit via text messages. Let's see standard settings now. On this screen, you can set up GPIOs as input or output. Let's set up GPIO 1 as input and other 3 as output. We can also set up industrial standards on our analog inputs here. We have connected signal generator to ADC2 and set up 0.20 milliamps interface. ADC 1, 3 and 4 are unused, so we have to turn this off. Another option is gyroscope calibration. You have to choose yes if you want your gyroscope to calibrate on boot, otherwise no. The last option is conversion speed. You can choose between faster conversion and lower resolution, and slower conversion and higher resolution. Let's check another tab. On this tab, we can control GPIOs. First GPIO is set up as input, so we cannot change the value. Other 3 are set up as output, so we can change it. We can control it. Green LEDs on universal converter represent GPIOs. So when we change GPIO in the program, green LEDs changes accordingly. Mango reads ADC value every 5 seconds, so when we change milliamps on signal generator, we will see results on the screen after 5 seconds. It doesn't have to be 5 seconds. You can easily change interval to 500 seconds, 200 seconds, or only 4 seconds. On this screen, You can enter Mango telephone number. It's necessary if you want to use advanced settings. Also change the PIN. It requires for secure communication between Mango and Android phone. Okay, let's review last tab. On this screen, we will find readings from all sensors based on Mango Red. Pressure sensor, light sensor, gyroscope. System also displays GPS location, temperatures, speed and angle. If we change angle of the unit, we will see results on the screen after a few seconds. So let's see. Angle has changed. Other sensors react the same way, quickly and precisely. We can do another test. Let's cover light sensor and watch reaction. Okay, reading has come to the system. Now, few words about buttons. When you press bottom one, system will navigate you to Mango Red location. Top one will allow you to change name of the unit. You can connect multiple universal converters to one Energiya panel system. All readings are stored in the cloud and are accessible via web service. If you want to test Android app, you can use test as customer key. Thanks for watching. Bye.